In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to access and general review of OfferUp shopping app, a step by step tutorial guide. So yes, but before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Fabi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure income 168, Stava or Baby or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about information business. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how OfferUp, American best shopping site, works and how you can navigate and general review about the site. Okay, so let's begin. The very first thing I'm going to do on this particular tutorial is that I'm going to head over to my Chrome browser. So you can use any browser of your choice for you to get this particular access to this particular website. So I'm going to click on my Chrome right here. Having opened up my Google Chrome, next thing I'm going to do is to type offerup.com right here. So let's see what happens. So I will click on here, then I will type in offerup.com. Then I'll click on search. So you can see the outcome result right here. Sorry, we are not able to determine your location. This is because I'm not in America. And nevertheless, this does not mean that you cannot have access to this particular shopping site. So let's see how we can access the shopping site. So I'm going to exit from the web browser right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I head over to Google Play Store. Okay, so for me to access my Play Store, I have to click on here. You can locate Play Store on your phone. Then I have to come to the search result here and type in Express VPN. Then click on search. So you are going to have this is the right VPN you can use to access the particular site. Then you can check on the number of people that have downloaded this VPN in the past. About 50 million people has downloaded this VPN in the past. So for you to download and install the app, just click on here to run the installation. Then once you are done with the download and installation, then you open up the app. Okay, so after a successful download and install the VPN, Express VPN, then you can head over to your phone screen, just like what I'm doing right here, and then you have to locate the VPN logo like this. So I'm going to click on it. So we have it this way. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on this switch right here to connect. Now the next thing I need to do is to make sure I click on this particular icon, the global icon. Then I'll make sure I choose United States. So I have to click on here to choose United States. So connecting United States. So we can simply exit from here now. Then we go back to our Chrome. Then we have to make use of search engine again and type in offerup.com. Then we click on search. Now we have full access to the site. This is because we have connect to United States internet. Now you can simply scroll down and see a lot of items on this particular site. Okay, now for you to browse item by category, you can simply click on this 3-stroke right here. Then you see items by category. Okay, so let's, for instance, you want to browse items by electronics and medias. So you can click on that one. Then you have everything under electronics and media. So you can decide to browse by cell phones and accessory. So you have it right here, and 85% of cell phones right here, they are second-hand phone. You can see the seller here upload the live picture of the item. So let's check it out. So you can see it right here. So this is Samsung S23 Ultra. So it's just 15 USD. So then these items were here was posted about 5 months ago and the location of this item is this. Okay, so you can simply scroll down and see more information about the item. So this is just a simple description of the item. This is the best phone case to protect your phone. I paid like $60 brand new. You can have it for just 15 USD. So this is just a phone case. In case, so you can see this is not phone, so it's a phone case. So you can simply scroll down and see more items related to phone case. Okay, so we can simply go back to our search. Now we can simply search for items by location. So for us to do that, we just need to click on here. Alright, so you just need to enter your zip code right here. As you can see, a box for a zip code. Now for you to get a zip code of a particular state in America is a very simple strategy. Just come to the top right here, click on that plus sign to create a new tab. Then you can check a zip code for Texas. You can say zip code for Texas. Then search. So we can simply click on the first result right here. So these are Texas zip code. We can simply scroll down and see different zip code that we can use. Okay, so you can see them right here. So what I want to do here is to just pick a zip code as an example, so you can see how to use a zip code on the site just for you to source for an item by your location. So I'm going to use this 73,301 right here. So what I'm going to do now is to head over back to my OfferUp. So I will type in 73,301. Then I will click on apply right here. So let's see the result. So you can see result, and automatically it has found our location. Okay, so right here we have local plus shipping with 30 miles. So you can also refine by local, you can also refine by zip. Okay, so what I want to do here is to just simply scroll down, and by default we have local plus shipping in 30 miles. So what I need to do here is to simply click on see listing. So right here we have our location change to Fast Riverside. Okay, so these are listing item in that particular location. So we can simply click on any one of them. So let's, for instance, we want to get on this particular iPhone. So I'm going to click on that iPhone. So let's check it out. So we can scroll down and see details of this item. So you can see this item was listed in Texas. Then the seller is going to list the condition of the phone. So you can see here normal wear, used phone, normal wear, and this item is under electronics and media cell phone category. So you can simply scroll down and see detail of the phone. So the phone is iPhone 11 Pro Max and network is unlocked. The color is green. Then you can simply see more about this seller. So this seller here is a verified seller. Okay, and this seller here joined OfferUp in April 2024. You can see it right here. So for you to see product description, just click on see more right here. Then this allows you to see details about the particular product. So iPhone 11 Pro Max 64 gig, it is unlocked phone, so you can use it with any carrier. It comes with 1 month warranty under Sell Doctor Business with 2 locations, screen protected and case gift. Come to my store and check the condition. Store name, this is the store name right here, Sell Doctor Apple certified location. So this is good for people that want to go and pick up in so you can simply scroll down and check on this is the map to the location of these particular items. So you can read on that. You can simply scroll down and see similar items right here. Now for you to check more about the seller, what you need to do is to simply click on the seller name, which is very much important. You need to know more about the seller before you can go ahead and have a deal with them. So you have detail about the seller right here. So the seller here is in Texas joined in 2024 April. He has sold one item in the past. No followers, no bots. Then the phone number is here. Confirm email address of the seller is here. So items from this store. So these are variety items from this store. So it has, this is the one that lead us to this particular store. So it have additional 5 different iPhone right here. So if you would like to get on any one of them, just click on the item, then you are good to go. So let's simply go back to the home page of the OfferUp right here. So I'm going to click on from the logo. So we can simply come back right here and change our location. So we click on here for us to change the location. Then we can go for local right here. So local simply means that it's not going to involve shipping. So local is something like from street to another street within the geographical area. So we can reduce the mile to 20 miles. Then we click on see listing, and we're going to see some results. Wow, so take a look at it. So we still have similar so we still have some results as far as that particular location is concerned. So but this time around, what we have here is not phones item. So you can see right here. So there is no limit to what you can buy on this particular site, and virtually there are a lot of things that you can buy, from clothes, shoes, phones, accessory, tabs, etc. So we have a phone right here, so we can simply click on here and let's check out the phone. So this is Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So it's just $75, and this seller here is on OfferUp since 2022, and he has a 28 5-star review. You can simply scroll down, then 2-day purchase protection. So these are legit seller on this particular app. So you can scroll down and see similar item from this particular store. Okay, now you want to check more detail about the item. What you need to do is you can simply click on here to check detail about the seller, or you can click on save this item to my favorite if you are not ready to buy now. But if you are ready to buy now, simply click on buy now, and then you are good to go. So it's as simple as that. So in my future tutorial, I'm going to make a lot of video about how you can actually purchase from this particular OfferUp American shopping site. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.